Be ready. Start. On 18/9/2006, an advertisement inviting applications for recruitment to 380 posts of Subedars, platoon commanders, and sub inspectors in the respondent state was issued by the Police Headquarters, Chhattisgarh. For the said purpose, the preliminary examination was conducted on 24/12/2006, and the successful candidates thereat were called for the main examination held in two parts as paper 1 and 2 on 4/2/2007 and 5/2/2007 respectively. After conducting physical examination and personal interviews, the final merit list of candidates was published on 8/4/2008, whereby all the appellants herein were selected. Based on the said merit list, the appointment letters were issued to the selected candidates, including the appellants, on various dates between 21/8/2008 and 15/9/2008. In the meanwhile, the Inspector General of Police and the Respondent Board received complaints in respect of defects/mistakes in several questions of the main examination papers. The Respondent Board constituted an expert committee to inquire into the complaints. Upon examination of the two papers, two sets of defects were noticed. A. 8 questions in paper 2 itself were incorrect, and B. Model answers for evaluation of answer scripts to another 8 questions of paper 2 were incorrect. The Respondent Board directed for deletion of the first set of 8 questions in paper 2 and preparation of correct model answer key for objective questions in paper 1 and 2, and accordingly carried out re-evaluation of the answer scripts of the candidates. On 27/6/2009, a new revised merit list was published, wherein the names of 26 appellants did not figure at all, and accordingly the appointments of the appellants were cancelled by the respondent state. At the time of publication of the revised merit list, the appellants were already undergoing training along with other candidates who were selected in the first list. The appellants, aggrieved by the cancellation of the aforesaid appointment in the wake of revised merit list, filed several writ petitions before the learned single judge inter alia, challenging the validity of the revised merit list on the ground that decision of re-evaluation by the respondent board was arbitrary and irrational, and therefore the said list requires to be quashed. The learned single judge, while entertaining the writ petitions, had issued an interim order directing the respondent state not to take any coercive steps against the appellants, and further to allow them to continue their training program. The learned single judge has observed that a substantial question of public importance has arisen in the matter, and therefore referred the matter to the division bench with a request to consider and decide the question of law of public importance. The division bench has delved into merits of the matter at length and analyzed the arguments advanced by both the parties. The division bench has noticed the pattern of the main examination to include two separate papers, paper 1 comprising of both objective and subjective type questions 7 and 4 in number in Hindi and English languages respectively, and paper 2 comprising of 150 objective type questions of general knowledge. Further, that the expert committee constituted by the respondent board examined both paper 1 and 2 and found irregularities only in respect of the 8 incorrect objective questions of paper 2 and model answers to another 8 questions in model answer key of paper 2, pursuant to which the respondent board re-evaluated paper 2 and only objective questions of paper 1 on basis of fresh model answers key, and in toto only 16 questions and answers of paper 2 were interfered with upon such re-evaluation. The 8 incorrect questions were deleted and their marks were distributed on the pro rata basis in accordance with clause 14 of the examination conduct rules for short, the rules of the respondent board, and the other 8 questions answers to which were incorrect in the first model answers key were re-evaluated on the basis of new model answers key and marks were awarded accordingly. The division bench has observed that since all the questions so re-evaluated were objective type carrying fixed marks for only one correct answer, the possibility of difference in making scheme or prejudice during re-evaluation does not arise, and therefore has concluded that no irregularity or illegality could be said to have crept in the manner and method of re-evaluation carried out by the respondent board, and that the said decision of re-evaluation was justified, balanced and harmonious, and has not caused any injustice to the candidates, and therefore cannot be interfered with unless found arbitrary, unreasonable or malafide, which is not the case at hand. In consequence of the aforesaid conclusion, the division bench has thought it fit to uphold the cancellation of appointments of the appellants qua the first list and accordingly dismiss the writ petitions. It is the correctness or otherwise of the said judgment and order passed by the High Court which is before us in these appeals by special leave. Accordingly, we direct the respondent state to appoint the appellants in the revised merit list, placing them at the bottom of the said list. The candidates who have crossed the minimum statutory age for appointment shall be accommodated with suitable age relaxation. The order passed by the High Court shall stand modified to the above extent. Thank you.